Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get started selling online courses on Kajabi. If you're looking to monetize your expertise or build a passive income stream through digital education, Kajabi offers a complete platform to create, customize, and sell your courses all in one place. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. If you're prompted to log in, enter your Kajabi credentials to access your admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, your central hub for managing everything related to your online courses. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on your site name. This is especially useful if you manage multiple Kajabi sites, as it allows you to select the correct one you want to work on. Make sure you're in the right workspace before moving forward. Now, in the left-hand navigation panel, locate and click on Products. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Courses. This section is dedicated entirely to building and managing your course content. Under the Courses page, you'll see a button labeled Get Started. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a new course creation page. This is where you'll begin building your course from scratch. On the new course page, you'll be asked to choose the type of course you want to create. You have two options here, Evergreen or Cohorts. Evergreen courses are always available and self-paced, while Cohorts are scheduled with specific start and end dates. For this tutorial, we'll select the Evergreen option, then click Next. Next, you'll enter your course details. Type in the title of the course you want to create, such as Piano Lessons or Biology 101. Below that, add a brief description that explains what students will learn. Once you've filled this out, click Next. Now it's time for customization. You'll be prompted to set your course's primary color, which applies to buttons and links throughout the course interface. You'll also choose an accent color for the course header. If you'd like, you can upload a thumbnail image to give your course a professional look. Once you're satisfied, click Next. The next step is course pricing. Here, you decide whether your course will be free or paid. If you choose to charge for it, you can set up a paywall and even integrate payment options like Apple Pay or Google Pay for a smoother checkout experience. Configure your pricing based on your goals, then click Next. Finally, you'll reach the course curriculum section. This is where you'll add all your content and lessons. Hover your cursor over any section and click Add Content to start building. You can organize your material into lessons, submodules, or quizzes depending on how you want to structure the learning experience. Once you've finished customizing and adding your lessons, click on the Draft button with the drop-down arrow and choose Publish. Your course is now live and ready to sell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.